Where's your nose? Where is your ears? Where is your mouth? Where is your tongue? Show me your tongue. Oh, where's the teeth? Wow, where is your eyes? Eyes, point your eyes. Where is your eyebrow? Where is your forehead? Forehead. This is the forehead. Okay. Where is your shoulder? Shoulder. Where's your shoulder? Where's your shoulder? Where is your hands? Your feet? Where's the feet? Where's your feet? Where's the feet? Point it. Asan ang feet? Nasan, where is your knees? Okay, very good. Where is your tummy? Tummy. Where's your cheek? Cheek? Where's the cheek? Oh, very good. Where is your chin? Where's your chin? Very good. Where is your neck? Where's the neck? Oh, very good talaga. Where is the most beautiful hair of my baby? Where's the hair? Where's the hair? Wow, ang ganda